Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are back. We are actually building up two bikes. I built one yesterday and I'm going to build another one today. These are my Rampage bikes. I'm not going to show you in too much detail right now, but yeah, all the parts, kind of a bit of a mess, but I kind of laid out along there somewhere. I've got a squid with me to take some photos today to make it look pretty. Yeah, and I got the little puppy assistant as well, always helping. The shed is an absolute bomb site, but we'll deal with it. We need to get it done and then get sort out when I get home. Don't really care now. Get it sorted out when I get home. But yeah, let's jump straight into a time lapse of us building this bike up, and I'll show you some more in-depth details once we're done. There it is, fully built up. Obviously I've got my old wheels on it that I had on the prototype, so I've got the 26-inch carbons on there. But yeah, nice extra chrome from DMR, axe cranks. It's coming together really nicely. I'm well stoked with this. The paintwork is insane as well. But yeah, it's come together nice. A few little tweaks need to be made. Like I need to work on my crank stop, I get that thing working properly, but that's my issues, not anything you'd care about. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked on it. Obviously Ian's going to get some nice pictures, and I'll chuck those in here as well, and you can get some nice snaps in the vlog as well for you guys. So yeah, stoked. Giant killed it with the paint job. What do you guys think? This one's a little bit more white on it compared to my other one. This one's white, and then I've got the one hanging up over here, which is actually a 27 version. This one's a little bit darker on the paint, but I was preferring the white one, so went for that option. I'm hyped on it. Yeah, full Sun Tour suspension, Kenda tyres, DMR componentry. Yes, I'm hyped on it. What have you found, dog? And the dog is just being in the way. That's what dogs do. Right, let's get some close-ups here. Here we are, next day, on the way to the airport already. I've left bags all packed, vans full of stuff, but the weather has completely spoiled the fun. It's absolutely chucking it down. I'm waiting for Ian Lean, who's coming out to shoot some photos as well. Obviously the guy who shot yesterday, and he was shooting Rampage as well for me. It's all a team effort. He's gone in for a coffee, but the heavens have opened, so I might have to like sneak back through a one-way system or something and try and pick him up so he doesn't get all wet, because he'll melt because he's a child. Yeah, on the way to the airport, got to go pick up Joel Anderson on the way, and obviously Connor is going to be flying from New Zealand, so he'll fly up. I think he flies from Auckland to LA, LA to Vegas, then we all join there and then drive down to Virgin, which would be pretty sick. Yeah, so yeah, let's aim for the next clip. You'll see is us loading up again at Joel's. So we're going to go in Joel's dad's truck. He's going to drop us off at the airport, drive home, so we don't have a car sat in the airport for 2 weeks, which is very kind of him. Right, where is this squiddy gone? Actually no, he's called Worm, the strip. He's a little worm. But yeah. Alright, nice bit of extra fun. Well, we stayed here last night in Hilton because we had no early flights, no point in us driving up really early. But didn't make any difference because good old flight's been cancelled. So yeah, we've got to head down to the gate and try and work out what they're going to do, get us on another flight. Hopefully today. Because Connor's already in Vegas. I booked him a day early by accident as well, so he's already had to book an extra hotel. So yeah, hopefully sort of hang around too much longer in Vegas so we can sort something out. Fingers crossed. Alright, let's go down to the gate and moan at people.
Squid, get out of the way so I can take a photo of the fucking bags.
Alright, well, we're now in Heathrow. We've managed to dump all our bags in one room. Luckily the guys gave us a meeting room so we can have some meetings on the way back. What do you reckon, Joel?
Yeah, if we tried to hire this for like an afternoon, it'd be 500 quid, but we got it for free because we just want to store our bags here.
Pretty much, yeah. Now we're going to go to the F1 museum because what else do we do in London for 24 hours before the next flight? Yeah, let's go jump on the tube. So, just trying to kill some time. We're now at a Formula 1 exhibit. That's pretty cool. Those things are pretty cool. Yeah, just trying to kill some time now. Just kind of waffling around London, just faffing about, pretty much. Bloody airlines messing it up. Yeah, hopefully on the next flight tomorrow, 9 AM. Got a flight to Philly, and Philly into Vegas. Bit annoyed for Connor. He's just been sat in Vegas for the extra 2 days. Didn't really need to happen, but that's what it is. Hopefully we'll get there soon enough, then get to the desert and get you some riding clips and show you the new bikes. Get some close-ups on the new bikes as well. Should be sick. Right, let's try this again. It is 5:56 AM and we're off to the airport. Let's try and get to America for the second try. Fingers crossed. So here we go, try number 2. Bags are checked in. Well, you say checked in, they're kind of on a trolley over here, dumped in the back of the airport. So fingers crossed they end up where we need them to be. A bit weird that you just kind of leave your bags just sat there. Fingers crossed they'll be on the other side. And we're just waiting for the Captain Squid to check his little bag in. Got to hold his hand, haven't we, Joel?
Yeah, oh, someone did take the other side away there.
Oh, hopefully that'll be good. Very, very much appreciated that interfering. Yeah, off to the lounge we go. Haven't got any lounge access, but off up there somewhere. Breakfast. Made it. Right on the plane. I think the bikes have made it. We can't look on Apple tags at the minute. We don't know where they've ended up, but we're assuming they've ended up in those little boxes and the signal doesn't get out. That's what the guess is.
Or we just won't get them.
Yeah, who needs bikes anyway? It's only Rampage. So we made it into America, made it into Philly now. Of course, Captain Squid got called secondary, didn't he?
I think got fun in that, you know?
Yeah, full penetration happened. Loved it, he said. He almost had an erection at the end of it. Yeah, now we're just having a bit of lunch, and then we've got another flight. I think it's like a 3-hour flight, I think maybe 4, to Vegas. Then meet Connor, who's been sat in Vegas for 2 days sweating. And then we got a nice big drive down to Virgin, but should be all good. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a boring drive because it's gonna be dark, so not much I can do about that. But fingers crossed we get some cool views on the way down. If not, we wake up to mesas and cool desert life. So let's get into it. Right, first big trip with the crew to go get all the tools for the week. Harbour Freight. Hopefully it'll have the goods. See how much this hurts the old bank account. Luckily DMR are providing the tools for us this year, so we're going to logo them up with some nice DMR stickers, and yeah, very kindly those guys are hooking us up with the tools. So yeah, let's go find what we need. Obviously Connor knows what we want, so use his expertise on what we need. Right, that's the first look. We're going to go check out Home Depot and see what the other options are.
That's very American.
That's very American. I would have that at home though, just for like cutting stuff. I'd have that on the...
It's got to be really stuffed for survival. I'm not asking.
Yeah. You're coming off. Right, we'll now come over to American B&Q, Home Depot, see what tools we can find here. But it just seems to be fridges at the minute.
Yeah, are we going to line your track with Christmas stuff?
Could we can't get tinsel? Put tinsel around all the lips. That'd be quite funny. Yeah. See what tools we can find. Now we found the area we need. All the tools. There you go, Joel. That's the perfect one for you.
Perfect, thank you,
There
sir.
you go. So what are we going for?
Carbon rake. No, carbon spade.
Carbon spade. We got It's 2 flats, 1 pointed.
This is massive. They're never this big in the UK.
They're not. 2 big picky things.
Goodyear rubber hoses.
And then we're gonna get some buckets and some other rakes from a different shop because the rakes here are a bit naff. I think it's gonna be the plan. Sure there's nothing else you need? Gloves? Some gloves. What, we got any sizes? XL, 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 large?
9 inch.
You a 9 inch or are you a...
9 inch.
No.
Yeah, looks it.
I mean, those through here.
Four lots of those. It might be different for the sizes. No, it doesn't.
Same price, I think.
Well, what's the damage?
225.
American. That's pretty cheap for you guys, eh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's like 50p.
It's like pocket money. Go on, Ian, show everyone your
show
the
my
front and back
pin.
of your car.
What's your pin again?
Very quick way to spend $200. Still need to go grab some rakes, but we're going to grab them from Harbour, whatever it's called, because we preferred those because they had welded ends, not just put in, screwed in where it was. So I'm going to grab those 2, and then that is the tool collection done. And then, yeah, going to try and get the bikes finished off, built up, and then going to go out and ride this afternoon. I've got to go pick up the Can-Am at some point today. And yeah, busy little day. Hope you get some riding in later. That's way more exciting.
This thing is high.
Imagine like being a small woman trying to get your groceries out.
Imagine just being me. Loaded. Alright, it's gonna go grab the rakes and then we should be all good to go. Rakes are in, all the shovels, got a couple of buckets.
Guns don't kill people.
Back of this truck is so hot, leaning on it is disgusting. I don't know how Connor's doing it because he's just a man.
Just trying to embrace the horrendousness of this place.
Alright, off to Walmart, get some food and hopefully get a speaker. Will be useful. So here we are, we've made our way finally up to ride some bikes. What do you reckon, Joel?
Looks very dirt-like, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks kind of like
There's dirt everywhere.
Yeah, looks like everything you see on Instagram. Very dry, very dusty. But should we sit? Can I put some water up all the lips and try and get used to riding some bikes? Stoked. Very cool. Connor's going to show us around because he's been here before.
I really don't remember anywhere or anything about this place. Apart from that there was heaps of dirt.
There's a lot of dirt. Quite cool though. Right, let's get some.
Looking wooden feature.
Oh, I don't know. Pallet probably.
Looks terrible.
Right, let's go put some pads on. Get the bikes off the truck and try and ride. Boys already hiking. Found one of the locals' own little hip. Just trying to find some stuff to ride that's not going to be in the wind because it's very windy. That's usually not the thing that I would say and moan about, but would be nice to get some tyres on the dirt. It's very interesting dirt though, it's more like rock. Yeah, climb up and have a look, shall we? Pads are on, bike's built, and apparently cruise a bit less than what Joel just did.
Yeah. A little bit of braking, but not too much, but not too little either.
Alright. Something's rattling, could be the chain. That annoying rattling is when they paint all these bikes, they don't give you the chain protectors back. It's just tapping just there. I actually got some at the house, I forgot to put it on. Bit annoying because it's already going to start taking the paint off. So we're taking the lacquer off. Irritating. What can you do? Well, that was a very short but very enjoyable little ride here. First day in the desert. Oh, bike's been sick, just need to just get that little chain protectory thing on and it'll be all good to go. Let's get these bikes loaded up and then we'll go get some dinner. Alright, so we're back out again. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and we already hiked up this small mesa. Try and drop in. I forgot my goggles because they're in my other helmet bag, which is brilliant. So I've got to go on my own, else I won't be able to see anything because it's very dusty. So yeah, first ridge. Everyone seems to just cruise it and just kind of plop off everything, so I'm going to do the same. Let's get to the bottom. Stay left there. Surprisingly quite good for how dusty this is and loose. Now where do I go? This way. That's fine.
Yeah.
Just want momentum.
I'm the owner of the first. Professional hacker. Gnarly dude! Woo!
You should do Rampage.
Yeah, do you reckon you can invite after doing it?
Oh, I don't think so. I wouldn't give me one. Well, that was a sick day. Just got back, had a shower. Just came back out to grab some bits out the truck, but it is so hot. What did it say? Let me try and find out what the temperature is outside. 1 second. Let's have a look for you. Start the old rig up. Yeah, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't know what that translates to, but it's definitely hotter than the UK. But yeah, back at the house, gonna go for a little evening session later. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this first video of us out here in Utah, and there'll definitely be some more. We've got the first day of building tomorrow, and then scoping lines, and then buildings the next day. But got to pick up the Can-Am. It's gonna be pretty sick to have that for the next few weeks. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.